Hello again. Today we're going to do a review of this phone. Now it's been out 2 years and it's still holding up very nicely. I'm going to go through damage, the wear and tear. I'll do a camera comparison as well. So let's have a look first. I'm just going to clean off the screen so it's nice and clean for you. Use a little bit of alcohol. Get this screen nice and clean. Now, I used this for a while, and then I got the Fold 2. And then when I got the Fold 2, I gave this one to my wife, and she carries it in her handbag. She throws it in with the keys and things. But I'm surprised to see that it's holding up so beautifully. There's no scratches or nail marks in the main display at all. As you can see, it's still nice and flat. It's not curved like a banana like some of them went. The hinge doesn't have any noises, creaking or sandy noises, crunching and things. Camera has got a protective cover on there, but there's no sign of damage on there. The front screen's still got the plastic, I believe, on it, so it's got a few little minor abrasions on there. But the carbon fiber case, as you can see, is holding up nicely, and it doesn't look like my wife has dropped the phone at all, which is nice to know. But it doesn't, there's no scratches, there's no scuffs, there's no dents, all nice and clean. Even the hinge, no scratches or anything on there. And this one, I'm surprised to see it doesn't have the plastic. I usually put the plastic hinge protector on. Maybe my wife pulled it off, I'll ask her. Right, so the phone's looking very, very nice. And 2019 to 2021, you wouldn't say that this was a 2-year-old device. It still looks really, really good. Right, some camera comparison images now. Okay, so wide, ultra-wide telephoto. And then we'll have a look at these ones. These are all taken in good lighting. It wasn't a particularly sunny day, a little bit overcast, but it wasn't too bad at all. These ones were taken on the inside under normal lighting conditions on my desk. As you can see, it's a very nice phone. It still looks very fresh and new. And I've just bought the Fold 3. If you have a look on my channel, you see some videos on that one. And I'm going to do a comparison video between the Fold 1 and the Fold 3. But this was my absolute love and joy, this phone, when I first got it. The Fold 2, I made a mistake of buying that and then giving this phone to my wife. And what a disaster. I really hated the Fold 2, and I tried to swap it with my wife to get this one back, and she wouldn't let me because she fell in love with this phone as well. Right, a little bit of video. As you can see, it's still nice and clear and plays flawlessly. The phone is still just as fast as it was. It doesn't seem to have any lag at all, which is good to know, because Samsung devices sometimes lag a lot. Yes, the whole thing is holding up beautifully. I'm very, very pleased with it. Don't know if you heard that, but there's a gecko. Right, okay, I'll just show you the Fold 3. I'm really happy with the Fold 3 because it reminds me so much of the original Fold. Beautiful devices. Let me know in the comments which Fold phone or flip phone is your favorite, which one you have if you have any of them, or which one you'd like to buy in the future. And if you have any questions or anything, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Right, thanks for watching the video. 2 thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye for now.